Okay, we have a Fadal CNC vertical machining center model 3016 HT, serial number 012004111765. Machine is new or was new in 2005. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a Fadal model 88HS multi-processor control with an LCD flat screen. We're running right now at 2,000 RPM. It goes up to 10,000 RPM. It's a Cat 40 spindle with a 21 ATC. 3,500. 6,000 RPM. The Fadals have boxways. This machine has boxways. You have a 39 by 16 table with 31 inches in X travel, 16 in Y, and 20 in Z. We're simulating a tool change. Again, that's a 21 ATC bi-directional. That's your Z. Y. And your X. All axes are quiet, spindle is quiet. Hey, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. Oh, machine has rigid tap. That's okay. It's okay. It says it on the quote. It's okay.